The heart is a hollow muscular organ located in the chest cavity between the lungs. Its main function is to pump blood through the blood vessels by repeated rhythmic contractions. The heart is divided into two halves by a tissue called septum. This septum prevents the mixing of oxygen-rich blood and oxygen-poor blood. Each half has an upper and lower chambers. These upper chambers are called the atria, which refers to the left atrium and the right atrium, and these serve as the receiving or collecting chambers. The lower chambers are called the left and right ventricles, which serve as the pumping chambers. The heart has four valves acting like doorways inside it. These valves open in one direction to prevent the backflow of blood from the previous chamber, two of which are the mitral and the tricuspid valves. As the heart pumps, blood is transported to different parts of the body through a network of blood vessels, and these are the arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries are vessels that carry blood away from the heart and toward other tissues and organs in the body. An artery has an adventitia, an intima, and an endothelium. Veins are elastic blood vessels that transport blood from various regions of the body to the heart. The systemic veins return oxygen-depleted blood from the rest of the body to the right atrium of the heart. Capillaries are one of the minute blood vessels that connect arteries and veins. They form network throughout the body for the interchange of various substances like oxygen and carbon dioxide between blood and tissue cells. And now, for every one heartbeat, a sequence of events occur, which is called the cardiac cycle. And in this cycle, there are two major phases. They are the diastole and the systole. During the diastole phase, the atria and ventricles are relaxed and blood flows into the atria and ventricles. In the systole phase, the ventricles contract sending blood to the rest of the body. Heart diseases share common traits but vary in progression and treatment. Being familiar with it may help you better understand it and be more in control. Congenital heart disease or the blue baby syndrome is caused by viral infections, medications, chemicals, and alcohol. Treatment depends on the specific defect of the child. The congestive heart failure occurs when the heart can no longer pump blood to the rest of the body parts. Heart attack, high blood pressure, diabetes, coronary artery disease, cancer treatments, and other health-related issues may cause this kind of condition. Smoking, high amount of certain fats and sugar in the blood, and cholesterol, high blood pressure, cause angina or chest pain. Rheumatic heart disease is a condition caused by one or more attacks of rheumatic fever, which usually occurs in childhood, caused by an infection that weakens the heart muscle and damaging the sac and the valves. While having high blood pressure may cause stroke, heart failure, and renal disease. Stroke is sometimes called a brain attack, which happens when blood supplies to the brain is blocked by a blood clot. A healthy circulatory system starts with a healthy heart, and preventing the likelihood of having heart diseases starts at an early age. Here are some helpful tips in caring for our heart. Maintaining a healthy eating plan, wherein you should choose foods that are low in cholesterol, salt, and sugar or sweetener. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, fiber-rich grains, fish, legumes, and seeds. We should also maintain at least 2.5 hours of physical activity every week, like jogging, brisk walking, aerobics, or running. Exercising improves blood circulation and reduces the risk of heart attack. Smoking and exposure to people who smoke increase the risk of developing heart and lung diseases, so we should avoid the smoking and secondhand smoke. Let us make healthy living a family affair. Encourage your family members to maintain a healthy lifestyle. In this way, you have a support group to help you in taking care of your heart and overall wellness. Let us be positive and inspire others to do so. Stress increases your heart rate and blood pressure. This can damage the walls of your arteries that supply blood to the heart. Our body organs help us think, move, play, and generally be alive and active. Let us make a thanksgiving prayer to God for His wonderful gift of life to us. Take care of your heart, kids. See you online.